The way this is supposed to work is the handle will line up with the side of the base. The larger box is at the back, black stripe back here, indicating the back. By lining the handle up with the base, I now have the right size for an elementary school's batter box. Take a stick, a broom, a handle, anything you got. Trace your box. Do the same on the other side. By tracing both, you now have two batter boxes. I made a black mark. I cut that with my router and goes all the way around. And that tells you where to put your catcher box. Make a mark for that. Here. Do the same on the other side. And the frame also works for the catcher box. So trace it again. Just like that. If you've got a child that plays baseball and the baseball ground doesn't have any markers firmly in place, making something like this will make your life a lot easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. And I really am thankful to everyone that's become a subscriber. If you aren't already subscribed, please subscribe below. That way you don't miss out on any new content that I put out.